3 times over. Today we're going to make a nifty coin pouch. The things you need are an origami sheet or square paper and decorative materials like sketch pens, color pencils and stickers. So let's start making. Take your paper and fold it like this in half. Now we fold this point to this edge of the paper like this. Now fold this point of the paper to this edge of the paper. It's time to decorate. Now it's time to fill my coins in. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes and crafts and hope you enjoyed this video.